Hi everyone, Ian at Vision Engineering here again. I'm just doing like my third video, just showing you how we're going to be doing this baby head, machining the two pockets out in there. So I've shown you the jig, I've shown you the head before we cut it off, and now I'm going to show you it in the machine. So basically we're in the machine now, fitted to the jig. There's a couple of screws through the face of the baby's head. And then obviously we've got this big strap to hold it on to stop these bits flapping around. They still flap around a little bit, but I don't think there's nothing I've tried that could even hold those in really, rather than this. So we're going to be machining all this excess material away, and basically going down in two, I don't know what they call them, prisms, or two triangular pockets going down anyway. Just so obviously we can get rid of all this excess as close to the inside as we can. So I'm going to fire this